Shraddha.
Hi.
Yeah, we have women who always take care of their bodies, having smooth skin. What is your take on today's metrosexual male? And what kind of a guy would you like? Would you like him to be smooth or hairy?
Metrosexuality is, I think, a very interesting term. I think, I don't know if a lot of people are familiar with that term, but I think it's really nice to see a guy, if he's well dressed and he's, put himself together well, thoda uske baare mein socha ho, but definitely, and that's my personal taste, but I don't think that किसी भी चीज़ में there shouldn't be any sort of pressure, whether it's for a girl or it's for a guy. अगर आप एक लड़का हैं या लड़की हैं, कोई pressure में one should not style themselves or do anything, any kind of thing under pressure कि यार peer pressure है या social pressure है, जो भी अपने दिल में है, one should definitely follow that and style themselves according to that and do whatever they would like for that. Yeah.
So Shraddha.
Huh?
How would you like your male to be?
Okay. Well, that is a very, well, right now, I'm very happy having the silky smooth skin. Let's just put it as that.
Silky smooth skin is for you only.
I'm happy to have silky smooth skin, and I'm sure a lot of girls are happy also to have silky smooth skin.
Absolutely. Next question, please.
So Shraddha, congrats for being the face of the wheat, and so since you are the face,
Thank you.
Yeah, since you are the face of the wheat, there must be a lot of people. I mean, it's the ladies who will be just buying this product just because of you, because your face only. So do you think that if this product or any of the product you endorse doesn't work that properly, you can be held responsible, or you can be questioned, like will you just get ready to answer, say questions?
What do you mean a product doesn't work properly? It's not some machine or something that can break down. But,
yeah.
But as I said, there is a certain degree of responsibility, definitely. And I use wheat, and I'm happy using wheat, and I can only hope for the best. I can only hope and want that everybody else also enjoys using wheat, and makes them smile and gives them silky smooth skin, because it gives me silky smooth skin.
I think you said before, anyways, to answer the gentleman's question, that you only endorse products that you actually believe in and have used yourself.
Yeah. And sorry if I may interrupt. And also, with all due respect, if nobody else believes in it, that's fine. You should respect them. But I believe in it, so I'm all for wheat.
Silk and fresh. Any other questions from the audience?
So Shraddha, whenever you just endorse a product, whenever you just go with a brand, are you aware of your on-screen, your persona, your personality, whatever you reflect in your movies? Does it reflect in your, endorsements also?
I didn't really understand your question, because it wasn't very clear.
I just mean to say the kind of characters, the kind of roles you play in the movies. So does that kind of persona also reflects in your, the products you indulge with, you endorse?
Do you mean like, do I also think about choosing what kind of brand?
Yeah,
the way that I choose my roles?
Of course.
I think it's the one and the same kind of philosophy, right? अगर मुझे एक role में interest है, obviously, I wouldn't do a role that I'm not interested in or don't believe in playing. So the same thing applies to anything in life also. Now, don't do anything you don't believe in.
That sounds pretty good to me. Okay, if there are no other questions at this time. All right, so sorry? Yes, Shraddha will pose for the pictures right now. Just wanted to say thank you so much on behalf of Veet for your association. Thank you for being so fun and lively, like I said she was, and for answering those questions. I'll take the mic from you.
All you ladies out here, you must participate in this contest. Who doesn't want a chance to go with their girl gang? Correct?
Absolutely.
Go for it. Thank you.
Do you want me to grab that? All right, thank you, Shraddha, very much for joining us today.